Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in North Plainfield, New Jersey, and this is bathroom 1, and this is the Cambridge sliding shower enclosure. This is a fully frameless, dual-acting sliding enclosure, and it's in matte black finish. Check out those rollers. Now the cool thing about this is that for years and years, the frameless aspect of sliding doors always had the necessity of having one stationary panel holding the weight of the bar up, so that, and one operable door. So of course that has its downsides in itself. That means that one side of the opening can't be accessed from the outside. But now with this new series, both doors physically operate independently with the quality of the Serenity slider. All right, and included with the package that we offer, it comes with two back-to-back 24-inch towel bars. We can customize it. We can put vertical bars as well, and we can also put ground-in pulls, which allow each door to go independently past each other. So we can fabricate this to suit your needs. And if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website at njglassdoors.com. Thank you.